Hey guys, this is Noel Clark, aka 580 Gunner, coming to you from Bray, Oklahoma. Just wanted to make a quick video. Today I'll be shooting the Glock 43. I absolutely love this carry gun. One of my all-time favorite carry guns. It's made very good, super high quality. Gun is 100% reliable. It's easy to conceal. I've been carrying it in a holster. It's a Kydex holster. Tremendous quality. Check out those guys. If you go to tolster.com and enter the promo code Clark Defense, you can get 15% off Kydex holsters as well as mag pouches. Anyway, I'm going to shoot. I'm going to engage these 3 targets with 2 shots with a draw from concealment. Let's see what we got. Yay, 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 yay. .262, not bad. Thank you guys. God bless America.